Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore China Liberal Education Holdings Limited in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to present a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 10th of January, 2025, our system has classified China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 74.81% since we first advised purchasing shares of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited just 9 days ago. This equates to an average return of 8.31% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts substantial volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support can now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $4.95. This level may present a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $7.16 is anticipated to be the next potential peak, establishing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 23.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 50.45% to negative 10.17%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of negative 53.82% over the next year, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 100% and 88.74%. This implies a price range from $0 to $12.83 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline, Volatile Ride for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Thursday, moving between $6.13 and $6.99. The China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price gained 12.96% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, rising from $6.02 to $6.80. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.05% from a daily low of $6.13 to a daily high of $6.99. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 93.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 55 million shares, with a total of 71 million shares bought and sold for approximately $483,720,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $52.05, and the lowest price was $1.82. Currently, the price is 86.94%, or $45.25, below the 52-week high, and 99.71%, or $2,346.70, below the all-time high on the 28th of August, 2020, when the price reached $2,353.50. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, traded under the ticker CLEU, has recently regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, marking a significant milestone in its regulatory journey. This notification, dated January 10, 2025, represents a positive development for the company, which faced compliance challenges throughout 2024, including a prior notification regarding its failure to meet the $1 per share requirement. Furthermore, in December 2024, the company introduced a share consolidation plan, merging 15 shares into one. This strategy is often utilized to stabilize a stock's price and enhance its perceived value, potentially drawing in more institutional investors. Recent financial reports indicate a decline in revenue due to the completion of specific consulting projects. Nevertheless, despite these challenges, CLEU has managed to maintain a gross margin of approximately 57.1%, which may provide reassurance to investors about its operational efficiency. In the short term, regaining compliance could bolster investor confidence and foster a rally in stock prices, as it suggests improved governance and stability. In the long term, the success of the share consolidation and the company's ability to return to a growth trajectory will be crucial. Market sentiment is likely to depend on how effectively CLEU leverages its technological expertise within the educational services sector in China, particularly as the demand for smart campus solutions continues to evolve. Overall, these developments could create a more favorable outlook for CLEU's stock performance in the future. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $5.24 and $3.60. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on the 8th of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 94.29%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Close attention to this stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 17 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average displayed a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Analyzing support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.02 and $5.32. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below the support at $5.32 may result in a substantial decline in the stock price. This stock is known for its high volatility, with substantial price movements throughout the day. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 86 cents, representing a change of 14.05%. For the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 14.17%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies go through challenging times, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, sustained negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the downside, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited faces its first support level at $6.02. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.59, reflecting a decrease of 3.08%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good buy? China Liberal Education Holdings Limited shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate option while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we anticipate China Liberal Education Holdings Limited will open down by 16 cents and commence trading at $6.64. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.